It's given me the confidence to take on cases where I would have never even dreamed that I was ready to take on.
I didn't feel confident treating those patients, and now I feel that the LA Institute has given me a lot of confidence. I will attest that I have been implementing a lot of the techniques that we've been taught regarding occlusion especially, and patients are now more receptive to wanting to do more treatment.
He takes complicated things like how a person's bite comes together, and he explains it in a simple way.
Once a clinician is knowledgeable about occlusion and feels comfortable managing our patients' occlusal disease and treating basic cases, it is desirable and important for us to start handling more complicated cases, like patients that have severe worn out dentitions, patients that have more complicated situations, and this particular workshop is focused on that. It is a workshop on complex cases, advanced diagnosis, and advanced occlusion. On this hands-on workshop, we actually perform on typodonts a full mouth rehabilitation where we open the vertical dimension, and a full mouth rehabilitation where we leave the patient with the same VDO. It is very realistic. It is very much about proper diagnosis. My goal is that at the end of this workshop, you will have the tools and the knowledge of the steps necessary to perform a complicated rehabilitation, not forgetting proper diagnosis, mounting casts, trial equilibration, wax apps, preparation. Knowing the preparation is the key to success with this type of cases.